Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. Today is Monday. My husband made me get up at the crack of dawn this morning because he signed us up to go to the gym early this morning with Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind, which I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check out what that is. It's an organization here in our area that basically supports people that are blind and visually impaired, and they do an awesome job in bringing us resources so that we can do day-to-day things that people who can see can do. I'm telling you, I'm tired and it's only 9 o'clock. Is it 9 o'clock?
You know what?
It's 9 o'clock. So they should be coming to pick us up in about, I'd say 15 to 30 minutes from now. So I'm going to chill out with my honey bun, and I'll see if I can't film any snippets of what the gym looks like when we get there and kind of show you what we're doing today. But I can't film anybody else but us, if you guys know what I mean. I mean, I certainly wouldn't want somebody filming me while I'm up in the gym, you know, as ugly as I am. I wouldn't want that. So I'm not going to do that to anybody else. But I will be checking back with you guys in a little bit. Six laps around is a mile, and we just got a tour of everything here, and I'm waiting for Ronnie in the restroom right here. Hello, everybody. So I am home from the gym. We had a lovely time. I've had my shower, washed my hair. That's why it looks the way it does. I have no makeup on. It is what it is. So I don't even know where to begin my day today, but I do want to say that going to the gym was awesome. Their track is fantastic for people who are blind because he can hold on to the railing and go around without anybody leading him. So easy to walk around, and the walking surface is smooth. Your feet can't get hung. Again Wednesday, which will be nice, and they're even setting it up so that we can go Wednesday in the morning and go to the gym, and then go back to the Cabell Wayne Recreational Center and eat lunch. So we'll pack our lunch and take it with us. We'll eat lunch, and then we'll go from there to our pottery class at the Huntington Museum of Art. So I thought, that is awesome. I just thought that was so awesome. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to shut up because I've been rambling like crazy. I'm going to get me a big, tall iced tea. I'm going to take 5 minutes, and I just loaded my washing machine with a load of dark clothes, and then in a little bit I have a load of light clothes that need to be washed and a load of towels. Laundry is a never-ending story. I have a few dishes in there too that I think I'm going to have to get to at some point, and we'll see what kind of trouble I can get into today. So yes, I think I might make those chocolate chip Rolo cookies. Some of you guys are like, ooh, that sounds so good. I don't know what you're making. It was in my grocery haul, and I thought I might make them today because Ron and I are going to have to take a packed lunch with us to the gym Wednesday, and I thought that would be a really good dessert, and I could take a few extras of those for our friends that we'll be with. So yeah, we might do that. We might do that today. Hope you guys are doing good. I am going to get to work. I still need to vigorously finish cleaning in here in the living room. But like I said, I'm going to get me something to drink. I'm going to get my thoughts together and figure out what I need to do next. So I just got done washing the dishes and now I'm making cookies. So basically you spray your cookie or your muffin pan with a little bit of, you know, baking spray. This is the one I'm using. Just comes from Aldi, really inexpensive. Then I place in, I'll show you the package. You've seen them in my haul video. Just cookie dough. It comes in cubes. There's 24 in there. And not really badly expensive. So honestly, it was not that bad. Basically, you want to bake these in here. And then after they bake up, when they come out, you're going to press a Rolo in the middle. Let them cool and then take them out of the pan. And that's supposed to be your Rolo cookie. It was really, really a simple recipe. It's not really one. I'm guessing that you could make up your own chocolate chip cookie dough recipe and just do it. Now, I will tell you, you're supposed to have a mini muffin pan, and I don't actually have one, so I'm just using this one. I can make all 24 at one time. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I pray they come out. If not, we'll be eating cookie dough. Yep, and I don't mind that either. Okay, so my cookies came out of the oven, and I put the Rolo in the middle, and I'm afraid to remove them from the pan because they're still soft, so I'm going to let them cool a while and kind of set up, and then I'm going to move them onto wax paper to let them cool completely. They smell really good, and I can't see where chocolate chip cookies with chocolate and caramel in the center can go wrong. So I'm thinking this might be an okay thing. But I'm hoping that my cookies are done. And I will tell you this. Okay, so I am going to add this little bit of, you know, info. Generic. You get generic. When you open these up, you know how they are cut into little tiny squares inside. You can feel them. Well, some of them didn't break evenly. I tried to make sure that the dough was distributed evenly. So you'll see some are smaller than others. But I still think they're going to be okay. But just a heads up, don't pull them apart. Use a knife to cut them because they are like, I don't know how to explain this. Like they are, you can see the lines in the cookie dough, but just make sure you use a knife to cut it because they don't break off evenly and you can mess up your evenness when you try to bake them. So I think I did a pretty good job on this first time ever making these. So I'm going to actually turn my oven off. I'm going to let this cool completely. I can already touch the pan. But once it cools completely, then I'll remove these and I'll reheat everything and make another 24. And yeah, so I think it'll be really good. If you're wondering what I'm doing in between takes here, I'm listening to Dateline Podcast. I'm obsessed with Dateline Podcast and I absolutely love it. So it's a new episode out. And I love a good mystery, guys. Tonight's dinner is a couple of ribeyes, some fried potatoes with onions, and I cut up a fresh pineapple for dessert. And of course we have my cookies. I'll show those to you in a little bit, but they did come out. They finally came out of the pan, and I've got 24 more to make. So I'm going to be doing that after we eat. And that look good. Well, it is, I don't even know, 8:30 at night. I just cleaned up after dinner. We ate. It was delicious. Coffee pot is loaded. Dishes are all done and put away. Praise the Lord. And now I am, this is hot. I can't touch it. Got some eggs in here. And I'm going to peel them, and in the morning I'm going to make some egg salad. I'm going to take a couple egg salad sandwiches tomorrow for lunch. I'm also, I can't believe I'm saying I'm doing this tonight, but I am. I've got my oven preheated, and while I peel these, I'm going to do that last batch of cookies over there. I'm just going to throw them in the oven on regular sheet pans and just make regular cookies without the Rolo. So I am going to get to work and get that done. And then I'm going to call it a night because I got to get up really early. In for 12 minutes. And man, my oven needs to be cleaned again. That's another video. My eggs are peeled. I'm going to put those in the fridge for the morning. Last ones are in the oven, 12 minutes. And now I'm going to put this mat out. I put this mat out so that in case he spills any coffee in the morning, he don't get burned. Hold on. And I always put this on this side. Okay. I put his cup here, my cup here, and I pull the, carefully, I pull the coffee pot up a little bit. And that is how I set this up for him. And that way his little beeper thing is there. And all he's got to do is flip that switch. And coffee is good to go in the morning. Here's the cookies. Thought I would show you the cookies real quickly with the Rolo in them. They came out really good. They were a little bit hard to get out of the pan, but actually I've eaten a couple. Ronnie's eaten a couple. They're very, very delicious. So just thought I would show you. I highly suggest using a mini muffin pan, not a regular, but all was fine and it worked out. Now it's kind of dark, but let's face it, the living room is in better shape. My clothes are going upstairs with me. And there's nothing in the chair over there. So everything got picked up and everything is good. I do have a pair of socks right there. I do. And these bags are going with me tomorrow. So I think so far so good. So guys, I'm headed to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm letting my cookies cool. I'm putting them in a container. I'm going upstairs and I'm going to bed. It'll be 9 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye guys.